Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can take a screenshot in easy ways in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with opening first the tab or window that you want to take a screenshot. And to do that, let me just quickly open Google Chrome. So for example, you want to take a screenshot here in the tab in this Google Chrome. And to do that, just simply click on the print screen key in your keyboard. So you will have, sometimes it is written as PRT space SC. And then when you click on that, you will get this screen here that it is already darkened. So just drag this cursor, just click on this one and then click again this one, and then all you need to do is just to drag your cursor. So that is the free form. And if you want the original one or the just this rectangle one, just drag your, so let me just drag. So once you click on the drop down button here, again, go click on the print screen. Then if you click on this one, you will get this rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. So just click on the rectangle one and then just drag your cursor to the size of the image that you want to be screenshot. And then once you click on that, or once you have once you are happy now with the screen that you have chosen, then just go to this window search tab and there type paint, and under best match you will get the paint option. So please do click on that, and then here all you need to do is just to paste the copied screenshot. So just Control V, paste, or type Control V, and then you will paste here the screenshot that you have just take. And to save this one, just click on this save icon here, select or choose a file name. You can also choose the save as type or the type of the picture, and then click on save. And by the way, you can also select for the location that you want it to be saved. Click on save button here. So I'll just select desktop and then click on save, and just close this window as well as this one. And as you can see, we have now the screenshot that we have just took. And then the next thing we need to do, another option, is to open the window that you want to screenshot first. Again, let me just open this Google Chrome browser, and then we can also have the snipping tool. So first, search here in the Windows search tab snipping, and then you will get under best match the snipping tool. So once you click on that, you will get this snipping tool window here. All you need to do is just to click on this new button and then drag your cursor to the screen that you want to be screenshot. And then once you do that, just click on this save as button here for your picture to be saved. Click on desktop, and then you can select also the file type and you can give it a name. So you can either choose GIF, JPG, or PNG, and then click on save. And then close this window as well as this one. And as you can see here, we have now the screenshot image. And then another thing is to go and press in your keyboard the Windows print screen key. And then once you see that it already blinked or the screen blinks, then it already took the screenshot. And to access the photo, all you need to do is just to type here in the Windows search tab photo, and then you will get apps, under apps, the photos option. So just please click on that to open, and then once it is already open, it will show you the screenshot image that you have just took, this one, and it is automatically been saved. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.